Imagine earning $100 every single day. Now stop imagining. This is the reality of the crypto universe. The best part? You don't need a rocket scientist's savings to begin. In fact, you don't need any starting capital at all. This is your beginner's guide to navigating the cosmos of cryptocurrency. We'll explore how to turn the digital currency boom into your own personal gold rush. This journey is about empowerment. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. And it all starts with understanding the basics. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, making this exciting world accessible to everyone. No prior knowledge is required, just a thirst for knowledge and a dash of cosmic curiosity. Get ready to discover a universe of opportunity. We're about to unlock the secrets of crypto trading. By the end of this journey, you'll have the tools and knowledge to potentially earn significant profits. Buckle up, Space Explorer, and prepare for liftoff. So, what exactly are cryptocurrencies? Imagine digital gold traded instantly across the world. That's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. These digital tokens are revolutionizing finance. They operate independently of banks and governments. Bitcoin and Ethereum are like the shining stars of this universe, but thousands more twinkle in this vast digital expanse. Crypto trading is simply buying and selling these digital currencies. The goal? To buy low and sell high, just like in traditional markets. But here's the exciting part. The crypto market never sleeps. It's a 24/7 bazaar buzzing with activity, offering endless opportunities for savvy traders. This constant motion creates volatility, which can seem intimidating. But fear not, volatility is where the real potential lies. By understanding how to ride these cosmic waves, we can unlock the secrets to consistent profits. Now let's delve into our secret weapon, the top strategy. This strategy revolves around scalp trading using two powerful indicators, RSI and MACD. Think of these indicators as your cosmic compass and telescope, guiding you through the vast crypto market. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, tells us if a cryptocurrency is overbought or oversold. Imagine it like a cosmic thermometer measuring the heat of the market. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, helps us identify potential buying and selling points. It acts like a cosmic map, showing us the likely direction of the market. The beauty of the top strategy lies in its simplicity. By combining the RSI and MACD, we can identify profitable trading opportunities even in a volatile market. Remember, even the smallest trades can lead to significant gains over time. Section 4. Navigating the galactic market. Before you launch into the crypto cosmos, remember this. Risk management is paramount. It's like wearing a spacesuit on a spacewalk, essential for survival. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. One essential tool in your risk management arsenal is the stop loss. This is a predetermined price point at which you automatically sell your cryptocurrency. Think of it as your emergency escape hatch, protecting you from catastrophic losses. Another valuable tip? Start with a demo account. It's like a training simulator for your crypto journey. Practice your trading skills, experiment with the top strategy, and gain confidence before venturing into the real market. Section 5. Embark on your cosmic journey. Congratulations, Space Explorer. You've now taken your first steps into the exciting world of crypto trading. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, discipline, and continuous learning are the keys to unlocking your financial freedom. Don't stop here. Continue your exploration. Dive deeper into the world of crypto trading, discover new strategies, experiment with different indicators, and never stop learning. The universe of knowledge is vast and constantly expanding. The potential of the crypto market is limitless. Are you ready to seize your share of the cosmos? The journey awaits. Gap 3S. Now that you've mastered the basics, let's dive into advanced trading strategies. We'll explore techniques like swing trading, day trading, and arbitrage. These strategies can help you maximize your profits and minimize your risks. Remember, the key to success in crypto trading is continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated with market trends, news, and technological advancements. The crypto market is ever evolving, and so should your strategies. Let's unlock the full potential of your trading journey. Gap 3S. Security is paramount in the crypto space. In this chapter, we'll discuss how to protect your assets from cyber threats. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Be cautious of phishing scams and never share your private keys. Consider using hardware wallets for added security. Stay informed about the latest security practices and updates. Your vigilance is your best defense against potential threats. Gap 3S. The future of cryptocurrency is bright and full of potential. In this chapter, we'll explore emerging trends and technologies. From decentralized finance, DeFi, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, the crypto space is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve by keeping an eye on these developments. The possibilities are endless, and the opportunities are vast. Embrace the future of finance and be a part of this revolutionary journey. Gap 3S. The crypto community is a valuable resource for any trader. Join online forums, social media groups, and attend webinars. Engage with other traders, share insights, and learn from their experiences. Utilize educational resources like books, courses, and tutorials. The more you immerse yourself in the community, the more you'll grow as a trader. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Together, we can navigate the cosmos of cryptocurrency and achieve our financial goals. Gap 3S. As we conclude this journey, remember that the world of cryptocurrency is vast and full of opportunities. Stay curious, keep learning, and never be afraid to take calculated risks. Your financial freedom is within reach. Continue exploring, experimenting, and growing. The cosmos of cryptocurrency awaits you.